Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to buy in the month of October. Here in the past 24 hours, the market is actually down. So over this weekend, we all, thought we were going to see a little bit of some bullish action, but in reality, we saw a little bit more of flat time and obviously a little bit of a downtrend actually as well. So in the past 24 hours, we're down about 2.55% here. Top gainers in the past 24 hours can be Jasmine here, which is up about 27.48%. It is up about to trading at around 7 cents currently. Highest volume, like usual, is Bitcoin, booming with the volume actually. 40 billion here, as you guys can see. Ethereum at 16.5. Bitcoin is actually up 1.6%, trading in this 55,530 area. It did actually hit about 56,000 twice this weekend and pulled back down. That seems to be a resistance area that we're not able to break through. Ethereum's down 1.4%, trading around this 3464 area. We see Cardano pretty much flat, down about 1%. Solana 1%. Polkadot 2.5%. Doge is down 4%. So after that, Shiba Inu situation last week, now Doge is starting to fall back down, just like what it's been doing for months and months now. This coin is just going down to garbage in my opinion. We have Luna, which is down about 4%. Uni Swap down 1%. We have some green obviously here. Shiba's up 3.94%. We're back in the high twos right there, as you guys can see. So guys, if you enjoyed this type of content, smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. Leave a comment below which cryptocurrency you're buying in the month of October. And now let's get into this list. So the first altcoin on this list is going to be Harmony. One is going to be the ticker symbol, and we've never talked about this coin on the channel. It is actually a coin that we're pretty much watching just for pure momentum, just to see how it's going to perform in the near future, as we believe this price action could continue to boom in the next couple of months, and that is why we're watching this one very, very closely, just for an in and out type situation. This is not a coin that I'm saying, that I would personally hold for a long term, but it is a coin that is a momentum play and possibly could make some gains on it very quickly. So let's take a quick look. Here in the past 24 hours, this was trading at around 21 cents yesterday. Now we're at 25 cents, up about 20.5%. In the past week, we are up 36.9% here from 16 cents lows. And then obviously on the 1 month chart, 42%. We hit lows of 12 cents at one point, which is actually over 100% profit from the low to the top now. And the 1 year chart, we're up 4,523%. Last October, this was trading at 1 penny, went from 1 penny all the way to highs of 20 cents here in March, pulled back down with the market actually to lows down here of about 6 cents or so. 6 cents around June time period, traded around that level here until July, and then from July until now we went from 6 cents all the way up here. So over a 300% gain plus has been made here with Harmony in the past few months. So this coin just continues to go higher and higher and break through these all-time highs. Currently, the market cap on this coin is at around 2.7 billion. As you guys can see, volume is going crazy here in the past 24 hours. It is up 111% higher than usual at 695.4 million. Circulating supply 10.7 billion, and then all-time high is going to be at 27 cents. That will be, that's the area we've been seeing get hit here recently, and that's pretty much the area where we're trading at right now. So this one we're going to be watching for that momentum play. Market cap only at 2.7 billion. I mean, we could easily continue to move on higher past the 5 billion, potentially even 10 billion market cap in the future, and that would give us over between a 2x, 3x opportunity here, and this coin would be trading at 75 cents, possibly even $1 if we got some more momentum and more volume, obviously, if more people started to find out about this coin and figure that it was a good investment, or even just a potential, momentum play, I guess you could say. Like, we've seen these momentum plays in the past with different coins, like even with Solana, which is a great coin in my opinion. We saw it soar for a few weeks, Avalanche Coin, and many other coins as well that, soar on momentum, and then obviously they get sold off. So some people just get in, ride the train, take some profits, and then let it ride back down slowly without staying on, because you don't want to be catching that falling knife and buying when it's on the way down. So Harmony is going to be a first altcoin on this list. Our second altcoin on the list is going to be Axie Infinity, so AXS. So this one, very popular one. We've been talking about this one for a few months actually. We called this one before a huge uptrend, obviously. This one, a very interesting coin, very interesting game that you guys can play online actually with Axie Infinity. Basically, to make it short and sweet for you, there's a game that you can play where you have these little characters. You buy these characters with your money, and you can breed. If you have 2 characters, you can breed them. At the point when I first covered this, you could buy them for about $500 a piece. So pretty much you needed $1,000 to have 2 of these characters, little pets. You would breed them and hope for a potential profit and making a good breed. So I guess the IV on it would be nice, where it would be worth more money if you were to sell it. and that's how people were making money. They were just, reselling these breeds after they were getting, bred. So right there, if we take a look here in the past 24 hours, we are down about 2.4%, trading at $120 per coin. In the past week, we are up about 11.8%. In the past month, up 74%. So this one has been making some crazy action here, and pretty much in the past month or so, from $50 all the way to highs here of over $155 on October 4th, which was just last week. So huge movement here with Axie Infinity. In the past year, it is up over 73,000%, guys. That is insane for anybody that got in, last year or any time actually, even here in this year when it was trading at 96 cents, $1 time period. But last year it was trading around 15 cents or so. Continue to go higher. We talked about this coin when it was trading here around this $20 area in July, and it continued to go higher, past the $40 mark, past the $70 mark. Here hit all-time highs at 82 in September. We thought that might be it. We saw a pullback, hit back lows to 50, and then from this 50 area here, just in the past 2 weeks, we went from $63 all the way to over $155. So over 100% gain here just in the past 2 or 3 weeks. This coin has been on fire and continues to break through all-time highs. The market cap is slowly climbing higher and higher. We're currently at a 7.3 billion market cap. Volume pretty much the same as usual. Typical hold time on this coin is 6 days. It is ranked the number 21 coin. 57% buy on this one, 43% sell. Axie is an Ethereum token that powers Axie Infinity, a blockchain-based game where players can battle, collect, and build a digital kingdom for their pets. AXS holders can claim rewards by staking their tokens, playing the game, and participating in key governance votes. So that is why this is very, very interesting. And this coin could continue to go up and up as long as this game continues to be very popular, which it is right now. But obviously, we're going to see what happens in a year from now, 5 years from now, and potentially 10 years from now as well, and see how that moves as well. So this is definitely an interesting one to keep on your list. Our third altcoin is going to be Uni Swaps. So Uni, this one, down about 1.4% here in the past 24 hours, trading at $24. In the past week, we're down about 6.6%. In the past month, up 9%. And then obviously on the 1 year chart, we're up 623%. Last year in October, this coin was trading at $3.46. We went from $3 all the way here to highs in May. We saw it hit about $43 or so, pull back down with the market to lows of about 14, and then hitting highs here at around 31. So over 100%, potential upside here in the past month and a half here from the lows to the highs. And now obviously we're pulling back down a little bit. Now this one with the market cap, it is a little bit on the higher side than some of these other coins we've talked about, but the market cap is still, pretty decent. 14.9 billion market cap, volume pretty much the same as usual. Typical hold time is 29 days. Trading activity 44% buy, and then 56% sell on this one. So Uniswap is an Ethereum token that powers Uniswap, an automated liquidity provider that's designed to make it easy to exchange Ethereum tokens. There's no order book or central facilitator on Uniswap. Instead, tokens are exchanged through liquidity pools that are defined by smart contracts. You guys can, obviously come here and check out how all of this works if you guys take a look here. And obviously keep in mind some things like DEXs. I have a range of risks, so do your research. Impairment loss can result from pairing a more volatile cryptocurrency with a less volatile one in a liquidity pool, obviously. So bugs in a smart contract can be exploited, and anyone that create tokens, so watch out for rug pulls and different situations like that. With these big people that try to make these coins and do the rug pull on you, that is definitely something that you want to watch out, obviously, as well. So those are going to be 3 altcoins that we're watching right now, guys, in the month of October. You guys let me know in the comments below, what do you think about them? Now we're going to take a look at the rest of the markets, obviously, like usual. Dogecoin, like we said, it is down about 4% or so here in the past 24 hours. We were at 25 cents, and now we're, continuing to lower to 23 cents. In the past week, we are green, and that is partially due to Shiba Inu, because Shiba Inu was, booming last week. But if we take a look here in the past month, Doge is still down, and it just continues to trade around this level between the 16 cents and 30 cents area, and keeps on going back and forth. I think eventually we'll see, Dogecoin could continue to go lower and lower. It is right above this 30 billion market cap currently. If we take a look here, Bitcoin is up 1.6%, hitting highs here last night here on Sunday at 56,500, and then pulled back down very quickly, consolidated, and then made an uptrend here going into Monday morning, trading at 55,450. In the past week, we're doing very well. Green 16%, past month up 19.5%, and then on the 1 year chart 390%. Here breaking through these highs that we saw previously in September. We're hoping to break through that 60,000 area and potentially come up to those all-time highs that we saw in April. So we're at that 1 trillion market cap still, 32% of the crypto market, 58% buy activity, 42% sell activity, and obviously it is ranked the number 1 coin. Ethereum down about 1.4%. It was actually at around $3,600 here on Sunday. Continued to go lower here to lows of about right under 3,400 at one point. And then obviously here on the 1 week chart, we're up 1% in the past month, 7.5% or so. So Bitcoin is outperforming Ethereum here in the past month or so. In the past year though, Ethereum is outperforming 824% higher here, as you guys can see. So, we're still far away. We're about $1,000 away from the all-time high on this one as well. So Bitcoin is technically closer to that all-time high area compared to where Ethereum is. But Ethereum, 409.1 billion market cap, 13% of the crypto market, and is obviously ranked the number 2 coin, 62% buy activity, 38% sell activity. We still think that Ethereum and Bitcoin will continue to boom here in the month of October and potentially into the end of 2021, and we'll see, potentially all-time highs happen. But that is obviously just my prediction. You guys let me know in the comments below, what do you think is going to happen by the end of this year? As always, if you enjoyed this type of content, smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification to get notified every time I make a new video. As always, I'm not a financial advisor, so speak to your financial advisor before investing. This is all for entertainment purposes only. Before investing, make sure you understand the high risk, high reward type situation you're getting into, and do your own due diligence with your hard-earned money. I hope you guys enjoyed, and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.